If you're an IT enthusiast, you need to hear this. Free education is just a click away. Imagine learning everything about IT, absolutely free. Yes, you heard it right. From ChatGPT to video, image, and presentation creation, to programming languages, web and software development, and operating systems, we've got you covered. But wait, there's more. Dive deep into machine learning, AI, and all things computer science. And the best part? It's all for free. No hidden fees, no catch. Just pure, quality education. Subscribe to IT with Govind and join a community of learners transforming their skills and careers. Don't miss out on this incredible opportunity. Master IT skills for free, because your success shouldn't come with a price tag. Click that subscribe button now and step into the future of IT. Let's make tech knowledge accessible for everyone. Together, we'll conquer the IT world.